Hi, welcome back to Science 1206, the motion unit. In this video, we'll continue our discussion of the metric system. Let's get started. In some problems you'll encounter, you will need to convert metric units. Let's have a look at how to do this. Metric steers, like the ones shown on the next slide, are helpful for converting between different metric units. To use the steers, you begin with your original unit, like meters or grams on the steers. To convert to a different unit, you will move up or down the stairs accordingly. Each step you take up the staircase corresponds to dividing by 10. This shifts the decimal point one place to the left. For each step down the staircase, you multiply by 10, which shifts the decimal point one place to the right. So here's our staircase with the units filled in. In the middle of the staircase, you have your base units, such as grams, meters, or liters. At the top of the staircase, we have kilo, hecto, and deca, and below the base units, we have deci, centi, and milli. Each time you go a step down, you multiply by 10. For example, if I was converting from kilometers to hectometers, I would multiply my number by 10. For each step you go in the other direction, up the staircase, you divide by 10. So for example, if I was converting from millimeters to centimeters, I would divide by 10. Here's a mnemonic to help you remember the order of the metric units. And it is, kindly help dolphins become distinguished concert musicians, where the first letter in the mnemonic stands for one of the units on the metric staircase. The K in kindly, for example, stands for kilo. The H in help stands for hecto. The D in dolphin stands for deca. The B in become stands for base unit. The D in distinguish stands for deci. The C in concert stands for centi. And the M in musicians stands for milli. You can make up your own mnemonic or Google. There's lots of mnemonics out there to help you remember the order of the units on the metric staircase. Now let's look at a few examples of converting units by moving the decimal place. Our first problem asks us to convert 2.56 kilometers to millimeters. So if we look at the staircase, we notice that we are moving down the staircase and we need to multiply by 10 for each step down. So we're going down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps to milli. So we need to multiply by 10 to the power of 6, or multiply by 10 6 times. So our answer, 2.56 kilometers to millimeters, is 2,560,000 millimeters. Our next example asks us to convert 987 meters to kilometers. So we're starting in the middle of the staircase, a base unit of meter, and going up to kilometers. We're going up 1, 2, 3 steps. Because we're going up the staircase, that means we need to divide. We need to divide by 10 for each step. There were 3 steps, so we're dividing by 10 to the power of 3, or we're moving our decimal back 3 decimal places to the left. So our answer then, if we go back 1, 2, 3 decimal places, is 0.987 meters. And the last example asks us to convert 63.8 kilometers to meters. Kilometers is at the top of the staircase and meters is in the middle. We're going down 1, 2, 3 steps. And when we go down, we multiply by 10 each step. So we're multiplying by 10 times 10 times 10. So our answer is 63,800 meters. Now it's time for you to do some practice. Pause this instructional video and grab a pencil and some paper, or open up a blank document on your electronic device. Number your paper or document from 1 to 6. As each problem in the table on the next slide is revealed, write down your answer. We will then review the correct answers one by one. After you number your paper or document, please resume this instructional video. Our first problem asks us to convert 5.2 meters to millimeters. Pause the video and give it a try, and then we will reveal the answer. To solve this problem, we're going from meters to millimeters, And when we're going down, we multiply. How many steps are we going down? 1, 2, 3 steps, which means we multiply times 10 times 10 times 10, or move our decimal place 3 places to the right. So our answer is 5,200 millimeters. Our next problem, you need to convert 68.7 kilometers to meters. Pause the video and give it a try, and then we'll go over the answer together. To go from kilometers to meters, we are going down, which means that we multiply, and we're going down 1, 2, 3 steps. So we multiply times 10 times 10 times 10, or move our decimal place 3 places to the right. And our answer is 68,700 meters. Number 3, you're going to convert 89.4 millimeters to meters. To convert millimeters to meters, we are going up, which means when we go up, we divide. We're going up 1, 2, 3 steps, which means we divide by 10 3 times, or we move our decimal 3 places to the left this time. Our answer is 0.0894 meters. Number 4, convert 3,524 centimeters to meters. Let's look at the answer. To convert centimeters to meters, we are going up 1, 2 steps. Going up means we divide. We divide by 10 and then divide by 10 again, or move our decimal 2 places to the left to get 35.24 meters. Our next problem asks you to convert 8,425 meters to kilometers. To convert meters to kilometers, we're going up 1, 2, 3 steps. When we go up, we divide. So divide by 10 3 times, or move your decimal 3 places to the left. And we get 8.425 kilometers. For our last one, we're converting millimeters to kilometers. To convert millimeters to kilometers, we're going up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps. So we're going to move our decimal 6 places to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we have 22.999425 kilometers. Now it's time to continue to the next video. Before you do that, give yourself a 30-second break. Get on your feet for a quick stretch, and then move on to the next video.